Hello. Some of customer you have buy our I3plus Mark2 with a blue sensor, and we have been providing the free upgrading of the yellow sensor. But for the yellow sensor, you have to use the metal sheet because this sensor is for metal. It only senses the metal sheet. So we need to stick this metal sheet onto this building plate, so the sensor can really sense it. So now let's put this metal onto this building plate. So first, take off the top mat off. So this is an older edition of the magnetical lower mat, lower sheet. You do not have to tear it off. Just take off the new one, the metal one, and the back. Peel off the paper, so it will become sticking. And put this onto the top of the former one. Make sure it's in the middle, exactly match the lower one. Okay, after you put it on, push it for several times so it will stick in very well. And on the top of this metal sheet, there is one protection film, and tear off the protection film so there will be no scratch on the top. Alright, after this, you put the top mat onto it. Okay, you have finished upgrading. So the yellow sensor and the bait will working harmoniously. Thank you for your